In this video, I'll show you 10 legit and free apps about making money online easily. You can use all of them to earn while you are studying, traveling in a vehicle, lying on a bed, eating or anything. Because it's a very flexible way to use and earn. Without any further ado, let's go straight to the video. Guys, before go to the video, please make sure subscribe to the Money Access YouTube channel. As our first option, we have Pawns app. This is an app you can install on both your phones and also on your computer and then earn passively in the background by sharing your unused internet. So you don't actually have to do anything, but they also have the option to then take the page surveys, so you can earn actively like that, both actively and passively at the same time. And you only need to earn $5 and then you can get paid in cash via PayPal or in Bitcoin, or you can also choose between different gift cards. The exact gift cards will depend on the country you are living in. And if you join through an invitation link, you will also get a $1 joining bonus your account right away. I think this is a good side hustle for everyone. Next option we have App Karma, which can be a great app to use if you like playing small games on your phone. Because that's what it's all about. You download other games and then you can play per minute, you play them or when you live up to certain requirements in the games, so it can be a fun, interesting way to earn. It does take some patience, but you only need to earn around $3 take out your earnings. You can join it from more or less all countries and you can then take your earnings out as cash via PayPal or choose between different gift cards as well. For App Karma, you will get a joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. That is another advantage of this app. This is our third option. You can also just use it on a website. And if you want to share your opinion, Branded Surveys is one of the best options because it's a great paid survey site. It's just only available in the US, UK, and Canada, but if you live there, it can be a great way to earn some extra money on the side. And you only need to earn $5 and then can get paid to get bank transfer or PayPal or gift cards. Taking online surveys with Branded Surveys is a fun and easy way to earn cash or gift cards from the comfort of their home. Who doesn't want to get paid for giving their opinion? Before you start taking online surveys, take a moment to learn how Branded Surveys works. So our next option I want to show you is called FreeCash. And this is both a website and an app. The app is only available for Android devices, but you can also use it from your phone on an iOS device or any other device or computer for that matter. And it is super easy because you can earn a lot quickly. Hereby, for example, taking paid surveys and paid offers, and it has great leaderboard contest where you can win extra. And it just in general gives quite high rewards for getting paid to sites like this. And what is really great is that you can get paid very quickly, either cash, you only need $25. So you can also earn different cryptos and take that out. You even only need to earn like 25 cents to get paid in crypto. And there's also a lot of different gift cards you can use, so this is one of the fastest ways to earn a bit of extra money while studying. So the next option is called TallyUp. And this is an app where you can earn by playing against others users. It's completely free, but you kind of bid your earnings in there against others. And then you can build up a ladder and potentially, they say, actually even reads $10 million winnings. But I don't know if anyone will ever be able to reach that level. But some people earn, a few $100s there, also, which can also be nice. The thing about it is that it's quite addictive. It's actually fun games as mentioned. You are like betting your earnings when you are playing in there, but you're not actually investing anything. Everything that you're betting is something that you earn inside the app, when you're playing and doing the other things it has in there. But you can easily end up spending a lot of time. That's what happened to me when I tested it. Because the games are quite addictive and it's made in a fun way. So you just need to manage your time with that. It can potentially give you some great earnings. But you can also end up just playing quite a lot of time here. Because it's so engaging and fun. And then if you are not that good at it, you can just end up wasting your time. So guys, try, enjoy and also earn money. Next option, we have Swagbucks, which is a website where you can earn in many different ways by taking paid surveys, taking paid offers, playing games, all kind of things, and also it has great cashback opportunities. So whenever you shop online, if you do it through the app or the website, then you can get a percentage of that back into your Swagbucks account and then get paid in cash or give cash, depending on your preferences. You can join Swagbucks from more or less all countries. It does give the most earning opportunities if you're living in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, France, Spain, or Ireland. Our seventh option is called Cambly, and this is both a website and an app. You can use it from your phone, because that makes it very convenient, and that is where you can get paid to chat basically. Because you will be a tutor, so you need to be great at English, then you can chat with people from all over the world. And you can see in general, depending on whether it's adults or kids, you can earn up to $12 per hour by doing that. And you can get paid via PayPal, so it can be a good way to actually know if you're good at English, earn a little bit of extra in a flexible way. You just need to know that this is kind of like the maximum earnings, so if you can accept that kind of earnings per hour, that's of course up to you. The last option I want to go over is to use Petbacker. They have an app where you can find jobs as a pet sitter. Because many people are looking for people to take care of their pets. It can be short time, it can be weekly, it can be longer periods. It all depends on the job, and you can do this, of course, when it fits into your schedule. And you can list your service for free. You can go to the website and you can also see that it's available in many different languages and in many different countries. So if you like animals and have the ability to take care of them, this can be a great way to earn some extra money on the side. That's all today's folks, guys. I'll leave every links in below to more information about all these options. So you can easily get more information and get started with the opportunities that you think are the right for you. So, I hope this video helped you, and if you did, then make sure to give it a like. Please don't forget subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.